Okay, hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll learn how to add 3 to 4 digit numbers with regrouping. In this video, I will show you how to add 2,345 plus 1,567 plus 1,124. Okay, before we start adding, here's something very important to remember. Make sure each digit is written in the correct column: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. If the numbers are not lined up properly, you might end up with the wrong answer. Okay, now let's start. We are in step number 1. We add the ones. Okay, we're going to add 5 plus 7 plus 4. The answer is 16. So we're going to write 6, then carry over 1. Okay, next step is to add the tens. We're going to add 1, 4, 6, 2. Or we have 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 equals 13. So we're going to write 3 and then carry over 1. The next step is to add the hundreds. We're going to add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. The answer is 10. So we're going to write 0 and carry over 1. Step number 4, we add the thousands. We're going to add 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, for the final answer, we have 5,036. Okay, so that's all for now, and this is for your practice time. Now it's your turn. Try solving this on your own. Write in column, then find the sum. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more easy math lesson. See you next time on Math Lecture, where math is made simple and fun. And thank you for watching.